guys, it's your favorite hair artist Lena Jaye, and guess what? Today's topic is knotless braids. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at Lena Jaye _ and or Facebook Lena Jaye. So I've been getting a lot of questions from clients asking if you can shampoo your braids, and I'm here today to tell you, yes, you can shampoo your braids. As you can see, I have my boho knotless braids. These were inspired by Zoe Kravitz. She has the done but not so done look, and I love that. Isn't she so cute? Oh my god, I love her hair. It's like done but not done. If you don't know who Zoe Kravitz is, she is the daughter to Lisa Bonet. She's an actress. She played on Cosby's. Look at these. They're so effortlessly done. What people don't know is that her hair is really short, so that's why she's able to show a lot more human hair. Some people who have longer hair, they want to show more human hair, but her hair is short, so it stops after her hair ends. This is pretty much what my hair looked like prior to my shampoo. And mind you, my hair is about shoulder length. As you can see here in my previous video where I did my hair in a ponytail, it's shoulder length. So I wanted to get the full effect, so I added human hair throughout the braids. I did a tree braid method, so it gave me a little bit more fullness. I put it on the in between and on the ends. So if you want to see how I shampoo my hair, continue watching. I will be giving you 17 steps on how I shampoo my knotless braids and eliminated frizz. Step 1, you're going to wet your braids completely. Step 2, you're going to apply shampoo on your scalp. Focus on your scalp. You're going to first focus on your scalp. So I'm getting it all over the front. Make sure you get enough through the back. It's probably not going to set up too much the first shampoo, but you're going to do it once more. This shampoo is from Healthy Thicker Curls. Step 3 is to massage your scalp. I got this scalp massager from Ross for about $2 to $3, which was a really good investment. I really like it because it stimulates your scalp, gets the blood flowing. It promotes hair growth. It feels amazing. Also, if you don't have one, that's fine. Just use the ball tips of your fingers. Do not use your nails. Step 4 is to rinse your shampoo out of your braids thoroughly. You just want to make sure you get all of the shampoo out. Then step 5 is to shampoo for the second time. You most likely won't need as much shampoo as you did the first time because the shampoo has acting agents that connect the water and the suds together, which create more lather, which is why you always get more lather on the second shampoo versus the first. I like to get all throughout my braids from the roots to the ends. And here we are with the scalp massager again. I'm telling you guys, the best $2 to $3 I've ever spent. Step 6 is to rinse out your shampoo once again. Step 7 is to apply conditioner. This conditioner is also from Healthy Thicker Curls. This is a very important step. You always want to apply a conditioner after using a shampoo. Step 8 is, yes, again, you want to massage your scalp. Massage that conditioner into your scalp. Step 9, you want to rinse out the conditioner completely. Step 10 is to remove the excess water out of your braids. Just squeeze them out really good and apply a towel over them. Alright guys, I'm back and I've kind of let my hair, I towel dried my hair, so they're still predominantly wet. Very wet. So now what you want to do is take a leave-in conditioner, which I have here. This leave-in conditioner is from Healthy Thicker Curls. I like it because it's lightweight. And remember, I have human hair added onto the ends and throughout my braids. For my favorite part, oil. This oil is also from Healthy Thicker Curls. I really like it because the tip of the nozzle is easier to apply onto your scalp. I think they changed the packaging because, as you can see, my bottle is a little different from the one I found online. But yeah, I really like it. This is my absolute favorite step because I tend to have a very dry scalp, so sometimes get dandruff. So this kind of prevents that. It prevents itching and dry scalp. So I just focus on my scalp and put it directly on my scalp all throughout the hairline, throughout the front, the back, the sides. So that feels good. Okay. Again, my favorite. You want to just like stimulate that scalp, get that oil in there. Okay guys, as you can see, my scalp is nice and oiled, and as I promised, these are going to be frizz-free braids. So during my shampoo, I wasn't really scrubbing. I was kind of like going with my lines, and when I really wanted to like get in there, I use this. There's another one that I like to use. This one I got from Ross for $3. There's another one that Lux Therapy sent to me, and it's it's a pointier tip on the end, so that gets the itch as well, because you definitely don't want to use your nails to scratch your scalp. That's actually against state board, guys. Okay, this is coming from a professional. Okay, so now let's get these frizzies down, because as you can see, your girl, she a little frizzy. Okay, so I'm gonna use some mousse. Okay, this is a brand new bottle, so I'm just gonna put it on there, all up in there. And so because I have oil in it, it's probably gonna like dissolve it fast because I have the oil in it. It kind of like eats up the product, the mousse, but don't worry, keep going. So just put it all over. This is actually thermal setting mousse by Kimble, so you can use it with or without braids. So this is mainly how I like to wear my hair, with a part down the middle, even though I style it, but I just want it to be as flat as possible, so that's why I'm laying it this way. Put it all on there. You know what? I want some more. I just can't get enough. My hands are slippery. Okay. Yeah. Get in there. Oh, it feels so good. Like, I love doing this to my clients. Shout out to an old beautician friend of mine. Her name is Bree. Hey, Bree girl, if you're seeing this right now, but I was literally in high school when she was doing this, and I've been out of high school for a very long time. So I got this tip from her. She used to put this on people's braids afterwards, and I was like, whoa, they come from under the dryer. and they was looking bomb. Like her braids were already good, but she used to put this on top. So this was back in like 2005 or 4. She was doing this like way back in the day. So now take your scarf and you're gonna, ooh, you gonna tie her down real tight. Okay, don't get a headache though. I don't want to dent in my braids, so I'm gonna put it underneath. Ugh, gotta move fast because you don't want your hair to start curling up. Okay, got that. Okay, so flat. I normally do this with Sanex strips or wrap strips with my clients, but I'm doing it on myself, so I wanted to use a scarf. Blow dryer time.
15 minutes later.
And last but not least, step 17, baby hair. This right here is Kimble's baby hair. Oh my God, it works amazingly well. This step is optional for you, but mandatory for me. I have to have baby hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also leave comments below if you have any requests.